In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an autoresponder email in Getresponse to a list. We're going to walk through the direct, simplest path so you can have an automatic email going out to new subscribers as soon as they join your list. By the end, you'll have a fully working autoresponder that sends itself without you needing to touch it again. First, log into your Getresponse account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Tools menu at the top. Hover over or click on Tools, and then select Autoresponders from the dropdown. This is where you'll manage all of your automated emails. On the Autoresponders page, look for the button that says Create Autoresponder and click it. This opens up the configuration screen where you'll define exactly when and to whom this email will be sent. Now let's set the timing and the list. Under Autoresponder settings, you'll see an option called Linked List. This is very important because it tells Getresponse which group of contacts should receive this autoresponder. Choose the specific list you want to use, for example, the one where your new leads are added. Just below that, you'll see a field labeled On Day. Set this value to 0. Setting it to 0 means the email will be sent right away, on the same day someone joins your list, rather than waiting for a later day. Next, you'll choose the trigger conditions. Make sure the trigger is set to send immediately. This ensures that as soon as a new contact is added to that list, the autoresponder is fired without delay. Also, check all days of the week. This is important because people can subscribe on any day, including weekends and holidays, and you want them to receive that first email no matter when they sign up. Once the timing and trigger are in place, it's time to design the email itself. Click on Design Message. You'll be taken to the email editor where you can select a template. Pick a layout that fits your purpose, whether it's a welcome message, a lead magnet delivery, or a simple confirmation email. Then customize the content, update the subject line, add your text, images, links, and make sure everything matches your brand and your tone. When you're happy with the design and you've double-checked for typos and broken links, click Save and Publish. That activates your autoresponder. From this point on, every new person who joins your selected list will automatically receive the email you just created, sent immediately and reliably in the background.